This video will explain delegate and research team functionality and demonstrate how to send delegate and research team invitations to others. You may wish to invite others to assist you with creating outcomes for your awards. If you would like to do this, click on one of your awards under Awards I am responsible for on your Researchfish My Awards page. You will then be taken to a preview page for that award. On the right side of the page, you will see Research Team. This shows people who have access to the award and their roles. If you click on the button that says Add Delegate or Research Team Member, you will be taken to a page where you can choose which type of invitation you wish to send. The Delegate option is primarily for somebody who will enter your data and outcomes on your behalf. An example of this would be a personal assistant. Granting somebody delegate access allows them to access all of your awards and outcomes. They can create, edit, and attribute your outcomes for you. The Research Team Member option is primarily used for co-investigators who are assisting you with an award. They may have their own portfolio and be responsible for outcomes that are relevant to your award and therefore need to be attributed. If you choose to send somebody a delegate invitation, you will need to enter the recipient's name and email address and then click on the Send Invitation button. An email will be sent to that person and this email will contain an invitation link. Upon using the invitation link, they can either create a new Researchfish account or log into their existing one if they have one already. If you choose to send somebody a research team member invitation, then in addition to entering their name and email address, you will also need to select which permissions to grant them. You can grant them permission to copy outcomes you have attributed to your awards over to their own awards for which they are a primary investigator, or grant them permission to attribute outcomes they have created to your awards. You can grant permissions on a per award basis. Once you have set the desired permissions to be granted, click on the Send Invitation button. The recipient then follows the same process as a delegate to accept it. If you accept any research team or delegate invitations yourself, then your Researchfish My Awards page will reflect this. You will see awards for which you are a research team member and awards for which you have been delegated access. You can click on these awards to access them. Please note that delegates and research team members cannot submit awards on behalf of the primary investigator. Funding organisations require the PI to submit their award, as it is the PI's responsibility to ensure that all data is complete and accurate. So even if a delegate or research team member creates and attributes all relevant outcomes, the PI will need to log on to their own account during the funding organisation's submission period and click on the Begin Submission Process button. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via support@researchfish.com and we will be happy to help.